Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select one of those modes. I will go with light mode and tap on Continue. Then click on Allow in all pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one when recording is unpaused. Type in wherever you wish to or not at all and choose OK. And if you want to delete it right away, pause it and tap on Discard on the left as well. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. To start new recording, just tap on the same red button. In order to end it and save it though, select check mark on the right. Now hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To start a new one right away, select this red button at the bottom right corner. If you wish to play one of the recorded ones, just click on it. You can also rename it by tapping on those three dots, clicking on Rename option, so sorry misclick, and typing in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, hit OK. In order to delete it though, you can hold it. Click on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!